You use peanut butter every day, but do you really know how it's made? Do you think it's as simple as grinding peanuts, mixing in a few ingredients, and heating it up? In reality, inside the factory, the process is far more complex than you might imagine. Every step must be executed with absolute precision to create a product that's good enough to reach supermarket shelves and your table every day. Each year, Jif's factories in the United States alone produce more than 700 million pounds of peanut butter for consumers. Now, let's take a closer look at every step behind that journey. Georgia, the heart of the American peanut industry, produces over 50% of the nation's total processed peanut volume. From these vast fields, billions of peanuts begin their magical journey. We will dive deep into every step of this process, from sowing seeds in fertile soil in late April through 120 to 140 days of miraculous growth, to giant machines harvesting thousands of pounds of peanuts per hour. And finally, the modern processing technology that turns them into smooth peanut butter. Ready? Let's get started. It all starts between late April and late May, the golden planting season for Georgia peanuts. Modern planters can plant up to 8 rows at once, with each seed placed precisely 2 inches apart and 1.5 to 2 inches deep beneath the warm soil. But here is the magic. Peanuts are not nuts, nor are they true beans. They belong to the legume family and have a unique characteristic. Peanut flowers self-pollinate and then push roots into the ground to form fruit underground. That's right, peanuts grow beneath the Earth's surface. During the first 7 to 10 days, the peanut seeds germinate in the warm soil. The ideal soil temperature is 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit with moderate moisture. Georgia farmers closely monitor each of these factors through a system of smart sensors across the fields. From the 2nd to the 5th week, the seedlings grow vigorously, creating a lush green canopy about 18 inches high. This is a critical stage where the plants need 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, and farmers must strike a perfect balance between irrigation and drainage to avoid fungal diseases. After 5 to 6 weeks, magic happens. Bright yellow peanut blossoms begin to bloom, and each plant can produce hundreds of flowers. But only a small fraction of them will form peanuts. Nature selects the strongest ones. From week 6 to week 10, the pollinated flower stalks begin to push into the ground, a phenomenon known as pegging. Every day, thousands of these pegs burrow deep into the earth, where they will develop into the peanuts we know. This process requires the soil to be loose and carefully tilled. During the growth phase from week 10 to week 18, the peanut pods develop rapidly underground. Each plant can produce 25 to 50 peanuts, and this is when farmers must pay special attention to signs of pests and provide sufficient nutrients. After 120 to 140 days, it's harvest time. But how do farmers know the right moment? They use the hull scrape method to check the color inside the peanut shell. When 70 to 75% of the hulls turn brown or black, it is the perfect time. Harvesting a few days early or late can significantly affect quality and yield. Step 1. Digging and inverting. Giant peanut diggers attached to tractors have sharp blades that go 4 to 6 inches deep into the soil, cutting the taproot and flipping the entire peanut plant over. In a few hours, the whole field is transformed into inverted rows of peanuts with the pods exposed. This is a key factor. Peanuts must be naturally dried right on the field for 2 to 4 days. Moisture content must drop from 25 to 50% down to 8 to 10% for long-term storage. Farmers constantly monitor the weather forecast. A sudden rainstorm can ruin the entire crop. These are the most stressful days of the year. By day 3 or 4, when the moisture is right, the superstar of the harvest appears, the peanut combine harvester. This massive machine weighs up to 20 tons, stands as tall as a 2-story house, and can harvest 6 to 8 rows of peanuts at once at a speed of 100 to 150 acres per day. Inside this harvester is an engineering marvel. Rotating pickup reels gather the peanut plants. A vibration and screening system separates the peanuts from the vines, blows away leaves and dirt, and keeps only the clean peanut pods. It all happens in seconds with incredible precision. The peanuts are poured into a giant hopper at the back of the machine, which can hold up to 8,000 to 10,000 pounds of peanuts at a time. When full, specialized trucks run alongside the harvester to receive the peanuts right in the field. Not a moment is wasted. Trucks loaded with peanuts, each carrying 40,000 to 50,000 pounds, roll off the field, heading to the first buying point. Time is money. Peanuts must be processed within 24 hours to ensure the best quality and prevent mold. At the buying point, peanuts are dumped into a massive intake hopper. Conveyor systems take them through the first cleaning machine, removing dirt, rocks, sticks, and large debris using vibrating screens and strong air currents. The peanut pods begin to emerge, looking much cleaner. The next crucial step, drying. Peanuts are moved into giant drying wagons with precisely controlled hot air currents at 95 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This process reduces moisture to 6.5 to 7%, the perfect level for long-term storage and bacteria prevention. Modern technology ensures even drying without damaging the kernels. After drying, peanuts are graded by size through a multi-deck screening system. The largest kernels, 20/64 of an inch or larger, are selected for premium peanut butter. Smaller sizes are used for candy or peanut oil. Nothing goes to waste. Welcome to the modern peanut butter processing plant, where science meets art. Pre-processed peanuts are transported here in giant tankers. Each plant can process up to $150,000 to 200,000 pounds of peanuts per day, enough to make millions of jars of peanut butter. The first step in the factory, roasting. Peanuts, still in their skins, are fed into giant rotary roasters at temperatures of 320 to 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. This temperature triggers the Maillard reaction, creating the flavor and characteristic brown color of roasted peanuts. After roasting, the peanuts are rapidly cooled down to 86 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit using cool air currents. Why? Because excessive heat would cause the oil to separate and affect the smoothness of the butter. Every small detail has science behind it. Then, a blanching machine removes the skins from the kernels with 99% accuracy. Now comes the rigorous quality check. Peanut kernels pass through advanced optical sorters with high-speed cameras and AI recognition. Every second, thousands of kernels are scanned. Damaged, discolored, or moldy kernels are immediately rejected by blasts of compressed air. Now, the feat begins. The perfect peanut kernels are fed into the first primary grinder. Two giant metal rollers grind the peanuts into small pieces about 1/8 inch thick. This isn't peanut butter yet, it's still quite gritty and dry. But don't worry, the magic is about to happen. An industry secret. At this point, other ingredients are added. For traditional peanut butter like Jif, the recipe includes 90% roasted peanuts, about 2 to 3% sugar, 1 to 2% salt, and a small amount of vegetable oil, usually palm oil, for stability. These ingredients are mixed thoroughly in a large blender before fine grinding. On to the fine grinding step, the heart of the process. The mixture passes through a high-speed impact mill where metal discs spinning at 3,000 RPM grind the peanuts into ultra-fine particles of 25 to 30 microns, hundreds of times smaller than a human hair. At this moment, the natural oil in the peanuts is released, creating that characteristic smooth texture.
From the coarse 1 millimeter grind of the left down.
But the grinding process generates heat. The temperature of the peanut butter can reach 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit at this point. If left unchecked, quality will suffer. Therefore, the hot peanut butter is pumped through a heat exchanger system with circulating cold water, lowering the temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes. Next is the de-aeration step, removing air bubbles from the peanut butter. Why is this important? Air bubbles make the butter prone to oxidation and reduce shelf life. The peanut butter is passed into a vacuum chamber where low pressure sucks all the air bubbles out. You would see the peanut butter go from foamy to perfectly sleek and smooth. The stabilization phase is crucial. The peanut butter is kept at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and stirred continuously for 2 to 4 hours. This process allows the oil and protein to distribute evenly, preventing separation later. Fat crystals form at the ideal size, creating the perfect smoothness when you open the jar. The perfect peanut butter is now ready for packaging. Automated filling lines can fill 400 to 600 jars per minute, more than 10 jars every second. The filling machines are accurate to the gram, ensuring every 16-ounce or 28-ounce jar is the correct weight. Automatic sensors immediately reject any jar that doesn't meet standards. Lids are screwed on automatically with precise torque, tight enough to be airtight, but not so tight that they are hard to open. Then, labels with the signature Jif logo are applied, and each jar receives a unique QR code for traceability from field to supermarket. Blockchain technology ensures complete transparency. Before leaving the factory, every batch must pass through a strict quality control lab. Experts taste test and evaluate color, flavor, and smoothness. pH meters check acidity, and viscometers check texture. Samples from each batch are retained for 12 months for tracking if needed. Only perfect batches are allowed to ship. Millions of peanut butter jars are packed into cartons, palletized, and moved to massive warehouses. Temperature is maintained at 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity at 50 to 60% to ensure optimal quality. Automated warehouse management systems track the location and shelf life of every pallet. From the warehouse, refrigerated trucks transport the peanut butter to distribution centers across the U.S. Each year, over 500 million jars of peanut butter are shipped, equivalent to a line of trucks stretching from New York to Los Angeles and back. A complex distribution network ensures the freshest product reaches consumers. Finally, the peanut butter appears on supermarket shelves, ready for you. From a seed sown in Georgia soil 4 to 5 months ago, through a magical journey involving dozens of processing steps, thousands of workers and engineers, it now sits snugly in the jar in your hand. Every spoonful of peanut butter is a crystallization of science, technology, and passion. Peanut butter is not only delicious, but also extremely nutritious. Every 2 tablespoons, 1.13 ounces, contains 0.25 to 0.28 ounces of plant protein, heart-healthy unsaturated fats, antioxidant vitamin E, and magnesium for healthy muscles. It is an excellent energy source for athletes, growing children, and anyone needing high-quality protein. The U.S. peanut industry generates over $4 billion in value annually, supporting tens of thousands of farming families. Georgia, Alabama, Florida, and Texas are the 4 leading states, with Georgia accounting for nearly 50%. Each acre of peanuts produces 3,700 to 4,000 pounds, providing farmers with steady income while enriching the soil thanks to the peanut's natural nitrogen-fixing ability. Did you know there are over 50 creative ways to use peanut butter, from protein smoothies, sauces for Asian dishes, cookies and brownies, to even skin masks? Natural, unsweetened peanut butter is a trending choice for dieters. A jar of peanut butter in the fridge can make any meal special. And here is the great part. You can make peanut butter at home. Just take 2 cups of roasted peanuts, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, a pinch of salt and sugar to taste, put them in a powerful blender, and blend for 4 to 5 minutes. You will watch the magic happen from powder, paste, creamy smooth. Homemade butter is fresher, has no preservatives, and you control every ingredient. What about sustainability? Peanuts are one of the most environmentally friendly crops. With the ability to fix nitrogen from the air into the soil, peanuts reduce the need for chemical fertilizers by up to 50%. Farmers often rotate peanuts with cotton or corn to improve the soil. Peanut hulls after processing are recycled as livestock feed or compost. Nothing goes to waste. Technology is also revolutionizing this industry. GPS on tractors helps with precise planting. Drones monitor plant health. Soil sensors track moisture in real time, and AI predicts yields. Some advanced farms even use autonomous harvesting robots. Agriculture 4.0 is turning the dream of maximum efficiency and minimal waste into reality. So we have completed the journey from seed to jar. 120 to 140 days of growth, dozens of processing steps, thousands of dedicated workers, and a perfect blend of tradition and modern technology. Next time you open a jar of peanut butter, remember that you are enjoying a marvel of American agriculture.
Peanut butter special.
Yes, yes.